how to fix Snapchat SS07 problem. So if you want to fix Snapchat SS07 problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Snapchat at first. And this problem can happen if you create too many accounts. So we are making multiple unnecessary accounts, then you might find this kind of problem. So firstly, you need to open up your settings application. Before you open up your Snapchat, just open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down and then go and find the apps. After that, go with manage apps. From manage apps, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for Snapchat. Once you find Snapchat, tap on it, and then you need to go with clear data, which will be in the bottom, and clear the cache. Tap on OK. After clearing your cache, you can go back and then open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for Snapchat. After searching, if you have any updates on your Snapchat, just simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to contact your Snapchat support. To do that, you need to open up your Google, search for Snapchat support. You might get Snapchat support email or a phone number. You can go and contact the support team. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.